people misconstrue eloquence to mean knowledge. Obi wo ho na no ate. Akufo Addo patro wi ase krata nyina ma no obetimi akenkan ne kama. Reading says one kind obekan ate ho ono na otimi kasa saa we shall wish control na Bawumia busa say pardon. Because Asante club we need to and should be say some na kan ya ba say say won ti ase. Enti na Bible can say in all thy getting get what understanding. Entiasie and no na nyansa ni ndie put together to make sense. Obi betimi aka bibia okutu na mu obekan bofu bi obetimi aka but bofu na wo kan club busa say say wonima de kro. Akufo Addo eni Bawumia sukuu na wo kono wo ye doctor meboa enya economy hitu no koye nai enso economy ni baby of fire no na ye 4 odikodu san 17 eko 18 etisa paramfo a modi akoma ginapo bi ya onu tini baby a onu soso ohun kotoko fa kura nsem se adaya maame Grace Ayosu na wo sa o professor ya doctor ya wo Dr. Ginapo mfensa ameginapo enyasa wo oba bi se bi wo fie nka wo bebo sei to no so ma first ya hwehwe ni doctor ni doctorate ni PhD ni hwehwe because me ni se wo ko school ya hwehwe na owi a obia na oye doctor wo NPP mu bia ne oye ayi bia no ya hwehwe omo nkrata semu Asante Bediatuo hwe in 2016 don't tell me Bible until because Akufo Addo me sure say wanya law biada I was so cocksure say uko law school next year busa say what's your highest qualification you don't go and write BSc economics because you BSc economics e will gone after which you went to law school lebwa and you go control law school there that's your highest qualification I don't know chori koma easy lebwa Akufo Addo the highest qualification or chokoma easy no BSc economics into a law school anyway and this ceremony so brimu no money certificate na se bi obi de wa yiri ni ho akọ school because kaneno me kabida and I've always asked the NBC to forgive me because sebi akwati says a friend is kwaye udina chira ebomutu na so be ho na wo se bia bia sinisi bia sanity time me no na me ni NBC fo nya adwen no na me so me to ma yampia pa say ye kan ndie pa se ye hwehwe ndie wo Ghana ha ye nko NPP mu until say me ben omo no ana me hu say on say sukuu na ye kono ya na den say nipa binum benyanti ase ni hunumu wo de ntia ye ko sukuu oti ase enye title ntini ye ko sukuu sabi o minim professors bebra omo man mu a sabi preduasa se me de me ba Agyarko gina ho na me say almost all questions are omo betimi anya be 1% correct 1% because say no we asna ye wo no nimdie na sabio enkola a omo ya totofewa ekura wo mo nsem no eso chan nimdie a sabio omo papa nom ne omo enananum enyae say just at the click of a button no and your ma akura be sua won the phone so no kan no we be kwa kotu library books and san wetin yesua no we hu otiase enti enye title keke ena enu nti yeko school na perifo ema yatiase se sua hunu no enye di osua ya wotwa exam sa ya man doctor na professor no ena ehia na mum di otimide ne professor na ne doctor ne ye bibi papa boa ne manma impunti oba anu ne hia otumase enti gtech for adwuma omo ye no enye se bia mene omo nya adwen ye na mimi hu ni se omo hu adwuma ne ye na oye professor na so Dr. Ginapo oye professor doctor medical stress oni kan yin na ni asimpunam On the arguments now they ba public no interest we will be owning there. The doctor questionable. School now call and I will see a question you who kind of fast so to me benya sir professor title and doctor title no can and so we know near simple man no akwa share you be there. What you say? Arguments are or they ba bontin no. I had to say sebi a square peg all round home. First of all, Oba eye Grace Ayesu. Ono osi oye professor doctor medicine. Tio. Ena the professorial way now ye ka ho asem no. Institution no waka osi uta. Is that not?
What Trinity yes.
Obi Ghana has to see ya. Ono no wafa to no so ye doctor. Ebi so mu ye professors, ebi mso mu ye say ukase bi a onche sukuu kura okọ ya onya asa title no ana say adekire okọkire ya onya asa title na unti minka. Minim NPP fo bebre a ebi kura mpo a mekan otusin. Enso oye doctor ni. NAPO for example. Oyobi ani ni de wo fom papa
Frankie.
Se me uja NAPO ma me say ongo mpane a minim se me ko fie mi ko because I really wait me be doctor there na che say de papa
sa
hwe obi ti say Bawumia o doctor wo PhD na ni PhD na ekura no eno na di economy no dollar ni free 4 cedis go do 17 cedis aso den we doctor ena obi so ti say former agric minister Bafo Akoto nyansani pa wabu bawe emihu bida
bodira
Bafo Akoto nyansani pa o na hwene ba
bodira
nazo nkan okoto ho anu ma o bodira asem na ye kan okura doctorate PhD suku kuro na PhD wo mbepim na minim se onima adutu da bia me kan na maka kwakosi NPP lawyer for hwe wo de hwe obi a o se NPP lawyer bia wo de hwe ni nipa su ni nipa ban na ma bobo list no gari ni ma ko lawyer hwe akoya na se na fukapu ya ai onu ntimi ni preku ni enwra techemu nana bi ya na se oni na
asefua
ai Vincent we lawyer oh, a lawyer. So you see, Asante Bediatuo a lawyer. Gabby a lawyer. These are people who have no acumen, no legal acumen.
Yeah, Commonwealth Association lawyers.
Yes. Oh, a lawyer ni. Akufo Addo, a lawyer. But without certificate. What I say? You see, when people want to come into some of these arguments, he who comes into equity must come with clean hands. What you say? Nipa no, afraid na wukura wosi watch letter ako. But your arguments are that you don't think. Na the word you do my asanke that temu. You don't think. Agree that timisu nyejuma. Also say you don't think. And you know sometimes you know na a jamare ho because as a direction no as a yakoye se aboa woni tini for sa sunsun na okwa na niti kopim dan a no osade ne to starting ante no ose ekọ kopim so obenya tena bia papa bi a ebi e ho ya techemu a obetena sa na o ma we duru ba bia na aye etini de me mahwe Professor Owusu ni CV and I am a personal friend you know or be a lot of the times no bibi chire ma adwia me busa no me no if you say me sha say me ni empanifo titru ema a omo abobew wo nindiemu e sha say di nkomo no I think say she is the finest so far ono ni obi a the arguments are or the babontin no e very cogent and succinct enti no sebi ebi a woni bi ofie na wo pribia bonyamin paye no ma obi because I don't think Ghana has her kind. Professor Owusu obi no wo Ghana how to say no. O say me tie arguments bi na NDC for no I think said they have a problem with marketing and branding. You know, from where I sit,
we are market.
We are marketer.
Yes.
Now branding, idea who here pa. And until NPP to me to be Magana photo. Because they believe in branding. They can just say Akufo Addo to me man penny. And my Bawumia my flag bearer. What did they never be flag bearer no? Mean anyway. So anyway, but they brand to the point say I didn't let to be a bomb, but you have to buy it. Because also the kobon kwemu a ebe man kwana wehwam ade na obon no anti and I see NBC for they should take branding seriously because mo dia mo wa azoye but because mo wa azoye nti mo dey say ade krona say ya bu baby say ade paneton ne ho anti no say bi ahwene pankasa nti mo kama no atum ana obi so de ahwene a eye maracas eye dede kenken kwa bafini because CV is a man who NBC mu no ebi ni NPP mu CV a me poku in fact there wo bedwam krampa yanka obi to say Professor James now no poku ajiman who is like her in Ghana or in Africa. Tell me one woman where as brainy and intelligent, that intelligentsia, where is her kind in Ghana? Show me one. Our NPP me. Would you not young fan ko NPP ko Ghana when it say Professor Jena no Pokwadima. When it say Tachuchi Kata wo Ghana ha, would you chere me? Nipa o mo de no Samuku de to awa bon no, sa papa peni na awa bon no. O mo de NPP for de no. Na say ni legal arguments bi awo ye. Ase akwala afa no go school. It's a meeting of woman, you pray. Huh? Yeah. Winnie. Where Chachuani 15 years at the bar. He was about celebrating it when we had this. Asemi. 15 years at the bar. Did you see Chachu? Did you see Chachu in his youthful days? In his legal arguments? These are videos that are on YouTube. I don't think I may say Nyanko Poye Maduma me watu no. Because there is not like Chachu in Ghana or even in Africa. It's very difficult to find one. People misconstrue eloquence to mean knowledge. Obi wo wa na no ate. Akufo Addo patro yase krata nyina ma no obetimi akenkan ne kama. Reading says one kind obekan ate ho ono na otimi kasa saa we shall reach control na Bawumia busa say pardon because or Asante kwa Bawumia intimate and so busa say asem na okan ya ba say say won ti ase
ana dwumfo
enti na Bible can say mo say in all that getting get what understanding entiase eno na enyansa ni nimdie put together to make sense. Obi betimi aka bibia okne tuna ni obekan bofu bi obetimi aka but bofu na wo kan kura busa nsa cheche woni ma de kro Akufo Addo eni Bawumia sukuu na wo kono wo ye doctor meboa eni economy hintu no ko nai enso economy ni baby of fire no na ye 4 odikodu san 17 eko 18 enti sa paremfo a modi akoma ginapo bi ya ono tini baby a ono so wo hukotoko fa kura nsem say adaya maame Grace Owusu na wo sa o professor ya doctor ya wo Dr. Ginapo friends Ginapo enyasa wo oba bi se bi wo fie na nka wo bebo sei to no so ma first ya hwehwe ni doctor ni doctorate ni PhD ni hwehwe because me say wo ko school ya hwehwe na o wi obia na oye doctor wo NPP mu bia ne oye ayi bia no ya hwehwe omo nkrata semu asane etimi agiatu hwe in 2016 don't tell me Bible ntin beka say Akufo Addo me sure say wa anya law bia da I was so cocksure say uko law school na say ebusa say what's your highest qualification you don't go and write BSc economics because who a BSc economics e will gone. After which you went to law school, Leboa. And you go control law school there, that's your highest qualification. I don't know what come easy. Meboa. Akufo Addo the highest qualification or come easy no. BSc economics. Into your law school anyway. And this money so brimo. No money certificate. Na se sebi obi de wa yiri ni ho akosuku because kaneno no me kabida. And I've always asked the NBC to forgive me. Because sebi akweti says a friend is quiet. Udina chira ebomutu. Na so be ho na wo se bia sinisibia.
Sanity.
Time me no na me NBC for nya adwen no. Na me so meto ma yampia pa. Say ye kan ndie pa se ye hwehwe ndie wo Ghana ha ye nko NPP mu. Until say me ben o mo no ana me hu say eh hwe wo de kohwe do ma ma point isi. The least you can find is a master's degree. The least. That is a nipa no pay school. And so kwanu they okra first degree no and your first class and as second class upper. NPP leave kwa first degree I will connect e bia second class lower or third class or pass. Only the class wa bon. Wari poto. Onu wi anu anu abeka cho say onima memu chen. Na nya ni ndie na bibi man. Enye nyansa na bibi man.
Sanity.
It is a one ndie ni nyansa I don't know putting it together making sense. You have not made any sense. You 8 years here the buy you haven't made any sense. Na average na a professor. Okay, on your professor no. Ene ye den. Na the word adjunct, the word adjunct. Something that is next to. You see, professors are sometimes entitled to choose whether to be a part-time or a full-time professor. And this will be a one full-time professor, Biano, or your adjunct. Because ultimately choose something over the title. It's just a title. Professor, no. Everything French for the Bawumia promotion. Who say French teacher Biano, your friend professor. Professor na teacher no teacher ni. Enti wonye teacher ni enti na yeden. We nyansa be ni. Sa ye bu manya babia o ma we adru enenke ye ba ye nka nyoma papa do Mahamadu akwantu a watuo enu adodode a eba nyansa ni ndia do Mahamadu bu manya na nka betena ne yakeka. Enen kola e ko school free. En kola nya aduani die ene omu na kosua. No what you may be in Naki Abetna Nika. You say, argument, your TV so had a Adaya will be an argument to say, will be a teacher, ni on your professor, into on your professor. And you know, a day table so. I think we should be getting serious as a country. The last argument has to do with the fact that, you see, let us not allow for people to divert our attention from our core mandate as a people. And the government, because NPP need anything to offer this country, and their modus operandi, their stock in trade is to make sure say at every instance, they will divert the course of this country. We will say diversionary because the last week you cry yadi beno. This shouldn't have been a topic. For discussion.
Yeah, pointing the panana ayewayana. Was I say, be
how didn't quit the area? No, my could tell be now soon, and before her no mountain, no man, I read the Aquana Junior Botodo. Now, do you to say no? You're from Moonlight. What I say now, more than now, mountain, your man. Oh, because we know, we need to accord in the court now. And he can never be an appointee of Jomama.
Oh, no.
You see, that is why my argument say NPP ni bia wo say baby bia mu ni free na mo NDC ni papa obeti na yaduma papa including everywhere, including Ghana airport or your friend authority. Many jo mama na adwene say oba da so te ho. You want this for bebe wo obeti na yaduma kama. E ho beti. And ni dem no NDC ni bie. Mo na mo tell no na mama NPP for na say mo ni nanam so. E de no ye. Yeah, mutu oda so ti ho. You need free ho, obi bia o ye NPP ni bia you need free ho. Wo betima yi na dikwa yi na di. Ma ni kwotena fie nefa wo nipa no. A o ye NBC ni ne kwotena ho. Wo de ne kwotena ho a ono wo kasa obetie because only why ya adwene kro dada NPP ni woni kan sema o de bako akobisa the party chairman ya ono na adwene yare a odi akotena fie no obako akobisa say chairman say no mo se menya ni sen ebe wi asem o de begu ani mu ase politics ni ye NPP ni onye ni papa na ko papa ko ye obua memu papa magana fo nya so mfa so amemo tante akoso fie nwatwe atwam eche NPP fo adwene do mutim e ya adwene e ponko abodam adwene osonso abodam a obubu niagu eche de na oba ya NPP ni oda so ti ni post yomadi pebe before mo kobu tumu na tumu empty tumu e empty baby bebre ya empty fo mo ko no mo ko tena no mo ko yiro mo ko ya adwuma wo ho na fa NDC fo ne tent na ha baby papa no mo yiro mo nya adwuma ma amemo no nya krabehwe etibidi tu ye nyina yafo wutu okrafo no na wutu momone sofo se onsusu mawo na obododo a e na otufa okra hwunim ma okra akofa no ewe eti yesra mo se amemo papa no NPP ni amemo papa bia e de ma enti wo mo a mo sesese ho deputy positions ne wa wa ni nyina mo ni omadi omutimo di omo ye wicked people eti mo di ni ayemo nyiro e no mo di TV ase omo ni anything to offer no adwen say o we dey wo NPP ni papa e na e position kura no na wo ye say sa de ni nyina mo twam NDC for so wa zoye no ko fa NDC for na mo fo mu man no bibi bia mo ye bia NPP ni bia wo bia o background no entity akura yini free odi shi to offer o bibi to offer ko anko opposition to yini free fa wo de any bra NDC so ko opposition na NPP for ba who say NDC aba MPP aba se sa aba no kukuru kaka na free ho e me pamo 4 years na de ba ye no ye de magana for the ma John Mahama say woni ni NDC for mebu oman wa fa mom anfa ma ne say brother be ye friend say o ba ko friend say Yakofu be free all inclusive and when I say NDC ni aba NDC ni e woni de nyansa ntina mo like minded people am form group no the group no mo woni de fie phone so see Grace Ayosu ya eboni din obi ente so no e wo Ghana ha me hu bi da me hu oba bia o te say je na no poku agiman me hu oba bia o te say na na oye me hu oba bia o te say ajare me ya ba ajare a wo trade ministry wo hu oba bia o te say no Elizabeth wo hu obi o te say no in terms this for no o ku nyansa ni ndie na mo di bu o mo man they are making sense to the Ghanaian we need NPP for now mo tete positions ni na free ho na mo fa mo ko front na that so mo fa me twa mo process enye ne ebo amo a e ka mo ntimi nye ni omadi a mo ko pe enudifo na mo bebrebe he me CCV sa we CCV ni bia on o rebe ho
mbe show
na your friend say cyber deputy back we MPP ni o te we yen Yunadi we Addo Mahama gentility na doso Yunadi me mo di bone kakra edu ba bia ni papa kura nchani wawu o pese owu ntema na Yunadi mi ankasa wonya wo de ba bua o my way na MPP ni onye chen enye ba bia na ba ye wo se o mi de me pese e be bom di bone e na me pese e be kama asem me pese e be ka o pese e be ka wa asem a Ghana for to aba no mu NPP e no mu NDC e no mu to aba ma NDC enti o man to aba ma NPP o mo mpa NPP ani mahwe the next 4 years no NPP ni bi oti ba bia wo your friend say obi o NPP ni bia no bra ya be demonstration nche e wo se ya NPP for ni nyadi o ya ma boy for enti ye for mu man unless NDC wants to tell me say they are not ready and they don't have the expertise and the persons or experts to undertake the duties, then we can conclude say NDC so they don't have the men. But I don't understand why you have the men but you still want to believe say you can still engage some other men from elsewhere. No, then it means you are not ready. But I can see that NDC was ready from opposition. Hence my decision to today put it out that enough has been enough. since time immemorial. And I think, say, the earliest they decide to kick all NPP members from positions of, especially decision-taking positions, the better for the NDC government.
Mera se listo Nana Kusipoku na yetene.
Emre do say yen kasan cheren NPP 40 memma ye di share ya brabwase. Because omo di boni ache. Amana di dio mutrimu sese omo ni nam social media no mu di ministers tema kika. Look, Nana do aban yentia esese yen kasan ti aban ni say. Nana do as president to me ko $93 million so be say sorry die. NPP phone to me and John who say sorry that no niho tokro ne da was say born ne da ho. So when we talk against NPP, no, it is not about equalization. In the year 2017, by this time, scandals are Agyarko NPP abano untumi swa. Now we are in 7th to the 8th month. What is a scandal biaba and the second Mahamadu Bawumia? There is nothing like that. That is where we should do the comparison. So we don't have to allow these people who have wrecked the nation to come and then say, yeah, and Obabia Kase and Okujetua Black quiet there. Go to the paper, take the and you want say data and data.
Yes. Go
and take the data. Let us look at the balance sheet of Mahamadu Bawumia government and what we are having today. That is what we can use to converse. But the one father tan fan kasa say be kafra and there school kono na akochere. And yes, akochere in a positive sense, akochere in a negative sense. Because before I can sit here, say me kasano, Ato Forson akache me say within these 6 months of the year, no, we to me are spending 114 billion. Etiaka ACC ministries. That is the data. That is the data. He didn't tell me, say, Ebia we are Ghana Sika within these 7 months. And NPP people should know this. They should read. They say we could not read. We are using reading and practicality on the ground. The figures are telling. The figures are telling. So why should I even have Midamasi exercise say Muntan find PP form be compare with her? Why do I have to be debating an NPP person? Why should I have to debate them? They don't have shame. If they were to have shame, like they will not go to any station to go and talk. Because we are talking about economics. You presented somebody that you call is an economist, isn't it? Edu say Akoto abanu nipa mo yi akire Ghana ni nyina powder gu ne cheso no. Osi say digitalization. Mo nkasa nsem anka bibia ankyere moti. Anamunyansa. These are the things we are talking about. I will debate NPP, even their most vociferous person. I will debate him. The only thing I use is take your data and let me also take my data. Let us talk about it. Ato Forson yenti ayasisa ne dia say Ato Forson. Then tell me what Bawumia to have done. Ato Forson. Because look at our economy. Look at the figures. Look at the economic environment of Ghana. Look, if you want to do a typical studies of Ghana environment, unam say on say uno mo store that no macros say omu say no mu biedo no mu penti. That should tell you economic like that. Even that person who is not educated like or who say the environment is changing. Inti say onim so ye juma obenya sika hye ni bottom mutamu na donu apa door lock no awina che down because the people cannot open their shops and make business. That is what we should be debating about. So Kujetua Black Waka say man na don't talk aeroplane as a data man you debate against data. Can't you have that sense na do na fa sika dio so asori die. Nti so bia for sika so ko asori die wan say asori die say so ko tolompre obeto. Onto that sense should come to all of us. So you must stop him. Hey, look, breaker NDC for etunya plans and NPP car ya stop no. You are too from Afriyie. Na you break it because it can be on before medi. Yenya amwakwata. Meka senka papa no kra nka ye chi no ensese ye ntrai no. Ndra na ndo me fa pokwase kwan. Ekwan amutumi ji 150 million se mu be ye kwan. Ekwan no mu anye. Why should this man be working? offer 10 million so road Cocoa Road auditing. When this cannot receive fee or how be any why should these people be working? And then you have NPP people going to stations and they're debating what? Debating what? These are the questions we should be talking about. No, look at these very good brothers and sisters, and they are chirping on trees like birds. Some of them, they were chirping. Look at them. Omanibu ame juma oye edima Ghana, Ana Mutala, Ana Muniru. All these people working for this nation. Emra show yeba kunjasunu. His Excellency said there. You better tie a belt to. One say allowance ya NPP for to say fuel a man join. Ye there His Excellency say free na come and now from time passing my mo bi anji for coupon. NPP for man give for coupon no ni. Omo give for coupon no o ma ye djuma no. O ma je di soko. Omo say okay if you are an appointee no may business bia NPP for anji contract. Their ministers were they not taking contract, and upon all these things, you are talking against us. Meanwhile, we are tightening our belt in the interest and the name of this country. Say, this is what we are talking about, and this is why, from the word go, Lucas say, NPP should shut up. I told them, I foresaw all these things. Look at the amount of money, about 9 billion. Yapompia share. ECG and alleges sector mumu to meet cables mu to meet enyama ehu hia edi aguho asa sign contract aguho ye to me sign contract sa man pay for kafra to say abodanfo na ye tua hu ka musa be ye didi. We will not give you that chance. We will not give you that chance. Idea His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say boot for boot no say cry say fan cry and there ye be no testicles per testicles o producer o me e ho na ye ya boot no nya ya testicles versus testicles uni pana na boot ni testicles mpenyufo mu fan chemi ani brain aba but tomorrow we will be burying our brothers. Nicholas, may their souls rest in peace. In the communication team members were able to go to our brother, late Honorable Mahamadu Bawumia's house to commiserate with them, with our leader, Honorable Sammy Gyamfi. We were all in the house. We saw the mother, we saw the wife, and the family members. Once again, I say my condolences to them. Because mitihona it is so eba niente eba ni say Nicholas on say ye more be position mema and I say oh now didi ne busafo and I say but the risk involved ni Ghana ni dream da and that is the risk as a sin abedani eniso ediama ye nyina. May their souls rest in perfect peace. If you also suno ye by Jubilee House and together with our leader, we are Belly Reef, Ediama, the fallen heroes. And you know, Susu, the best call the vigil night, you know. Sorry, Christ the King, or Bibi Obe to me, Kaya, na ye wa ebusia for, near Sammy Gyamfi, and any team to me, Susu, ye, ewo, if you ho, and there. These are the people we are talking about. Not the people who came and were stealing money left and right center. Uko kase they stealing money. NPP for Bekachero say, and the identity man chomoto. Attorney General, you are my senior. You are my brother. Mikacho say NPP for omutia sikano we suma say mo bia ehu say muna mawia sikano. Mi paucho mi say jisikano nyina. At the end of the day, we list na ye billboard. Some crowdfunding nanu asimesi the nation records no wa we say odiaba yaji wa we say na board no so no mumfoni nyamfa mo ankoko to kra eno na ye fe ni name and shame na yɛsafiri hɔ kora na yakɔyɛ ti sɛ plaque ɛseɛ bi wɔ Kwame Nkrumah museum ɔn sɛ tourist ba hɔ paa then you give them the nation records corner no mako hu omudi eni omufoni position makita sika omawia time omudi sika no di baaye say ya nanjo susu a time omudi baaye ka omudi ba ho na ya try to ho because the way I'm seeing we are not going to jail them but nyame kai kura no eda ho a tourist bia ba krom ha wa wo sa kronfo kona ni eni inti nipa no metro ni di o matwa picture osa ape eduma bi wa ban mu a onya da that is what you should do to them Ken Ofori Atta je kan na Bediatuo nso omuso wa ede omuso ho wa hu na manfo twetwa se wawu nti Bediatuo se na yes when mu nyina na entro mudi yes nipo timi di 13 million di feeding crop dollars o ye onu mu na hihye ase na minim ne nti a NPP focus on there. You and who are competing debate, go and bring these figures that we are talking about. In the Attorney General, me dem paucho. Sikanu J, ba list to be adding. A down this Sikanu buy. So one trade down this Sikanu buy no because so bua. So omu bakra mo yet on print. Ye, na tom print no susumu ebowezu. So bua. Now ya kofa scanner no na ya scanning that on print. Now say empower ya crop.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.